Hi, this is Janice. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do my unbagging of my Ipsy Glam Bag for 2021. I got this probably about 2 days ago, so it wasn't too awfully late. A little late, but not bad for considering what's going on in the world today and the shipping problems. But I'm pretty happy because last month's bag I got one day before this one. So yeah, I did another video of that. And if you watch that, you see them in the same outfit, but that's okay. I just want to go ahead and get these done so you guys can see what I received. If you're interested, you know, hopefully you are. So if you are, go ahead and keep on watching and see what I received in my Ipsy Glam Bag Beauty subscription bag. Glam bag. It's comes like this. It's really cute. I love pink. It's my favorite color. And I have a couple extra items in here that I ordered. They have like an add-on store every month, so I ordered a couple things, and I'll show those to you in a minute. But here is the glam bag for the month of January. It's really cute. Look at that little ring. Simple things just tickle me, you know. I just love simple things. And it's kind of a, it's not see-through, but kind of, you know, kind of like a frosted look. And on it, it says dream, dream, dream. It's kind of a pale blue. All right, it's cute. How much more can I say about a bag? But it's cute. I love the cosmetic bags. This beauty subscription is $12 a month, and it comes with 5 sample size or deluxe size or sometimes full size for only $12 a month. The theme this month is Dream It, and it just talks about different things. Here it has on the back beauty resolutions for your sign. And I'm Virgo. Stray from the understated looks you love and experiment. Well, I do that all the time already. Yeah. First thing I'm pulling out is an Air Hug Concealer called Item. I've never heard of this brand. I'm really intrigued. I like getting concealers. I like face products a lot. It's really cute. It's got an orange cap, frosted glass. Plastic? Yeah, plastic. And here is, ooh, it's a pretty big doe foot. I'll put it on this hand because the hand's got something else on it. Let's go ahead and there's the color. Really no smell. That's good. And go ahead and just kind of rub it in and see what the coverage is. Feels nice and creamy. And look at there, it's already soaked in my dry hands. Oh, it kind of smoothed that out. I have wrinkly hands now. Oh, well. Formula 10.0.6 called Thirst No More Moisturizer. Do you like moisturizer? I use a lot of that, and that is safety sealed, and I do have some things going, so I'm not going to open it, but I'm excited about this. It's a nice deluxe sample, isn't it? Look at that. Nice size. So is that concealer. That's a nice size. Alright, and I'm pulling out, oh, a primer. Yay, I love primers. Let Me First Primer. Now it is all sealed up, so I guess I'm going to unseal it. This is fun. This is totally fun. Look, watch. It's satisfying. Alright, let's see. Now, wow, it's even safety sealed. Boy, they're being safe. Go ahead and peel that off. And go ahead and put it over here. Oh, it's kind of like a creamy white. Okay, I don't know if it's face primer or an eye primer. I'm assuming face primer. Ooh, that feels like silk. It really blurred out my small wrinkles. It did. I don't know if you can tell. I'm at a bad angle here. Yeah, I like those three. Got two more. Oh yes, this is what I chose for my choice. You get to choose one product a month, and they give you a little list, and well, 2 or 3 or 4 products, and you get to choose. And I chose this mascara. Can never have too much mascara. This is in UOMA. I never heard of this brand. Called Drama Blonde. Called Drama Bomb. Hourglass brush. I don't smell like mascara. Kind of like a sweet floral scent. And this is, I've had this one before. In fact, second 2 or 3 of these I've had, and I really like it. But they put this in my bag. You know, I just use brushes. It looks like just a regular eye blender brush. And I use these a lot. It's kind of a textured black, kind of, I'm going to say rubberized. It's not rubber, but you know, it's textured. I'm going to say rubber, but it's not rubber. But yeah, it's nice. Well, those are the 5 items I got in the bag. And while I'm in, I'm going to go ahead and show you what I ordered for add-ons. I ordered the the Complex Culture brand. That's the Ipsy brand. That's their own brand. And it is it's sealed here. This is a balm. And I do like lip balms. I think you've heard me say that quite a few times. I do enjoy lip balms, especially in the winter. I like them all year. I have more than enough lipstick and lippies, but I go through these. And wearing masks really helps. And last but not least, I ordered the Quench Intense Hydrating Formula, and the brand is Laura Geller. And I've used her brand many times, and I enjoy her brand. And this is like a squeezy tubey. Quench Intense Hydrating Foundation. And that's what sold me on it. Something that's hydrating. There's a safety seal on it. Go ahead and pop this, because not that I don't have enough foundations. I have like two drawers full. Never thought I'd be that girl, but I am. Alright, I don't know if I have a... Oh boy. I've been sampling a few of these. I'm putting this on my wrist. It looks like it's matching me pretty well. I pretty well know my color after all these years. Ooh, that fits nice. Wow, that blended right in. So, I'm curious how it's going to look on my face. That is what I received in my Ipsy Glam bag. And if you like beauty subscriptions, unboxings, and unbaggings, would love it if you subscribe. Also, I hope you like this video. If so, go ahead and give me a thumbs up there. That really helps me out and also shows me that you enjoyed it. And also give me a comment what you think. Do you get Ipsy? And if you do, were you happy with your bag? Did you get what I got? Are we bag twins? Or maybe sisters? Alright, I'm going to go ahead and let you go now. So you have a wonderful, wonderful day or evening, whatever time it is. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
She's always napping.